How are you all? I hope that you all are doing good and staying safe at home. And people are still joining it. And okay. So okay. So we have a lot of people who are joining in. And how are you all? Just kindly write down in the comment section that how are you doing and how are your vacations going. Okay, okay. Yeah, hi. Hi, Swati Mishra. How are you? Yeah, great. Okay, so people are writing that they are fine, and I'm really great to hear that you people are doing good and staying safe at home. And so I have a lot of questions which I'll be asking to all the audience who are joining in, and let's see who answers those questions quickly and who comes first. So first of all, I would like to ask how many of you are staying at home and are not going out and having vacations outside. Yeah, okay, okay, great. So a lot of people are joining it, and okay, somebody wrote that vacations are very boring. No, vacations are not at all boring. Vacations are always good. So yeah. So as I was talking about vacations, so I hope that you all have heard of that there are a lot of people who are going to Manali, and Manali has become so crowded these days. Yeah. Okay. So okay, great. Somebody wrote he's at home. Really good to hear that. And oh my god, enjoy family time, guys. Exactly. We should obviously enjoy family time. And so yeah, okay. So I think people did not answer that I asked. So have you heard of the news that Manali has become so crowded these days? Yeah, I'm at court. Okay, somebody's at court. Well, that's a very different answer. So, okay, moving on to next. I just wanted to, through this Instagram handle of Lovely Professional University, I just wanted to share one message that, and you all have already heard of it, that please stay at home, wear mask, and maintain social distance, and yeah, stay safe. So moving on to next question, as summer breaks are on and few people are vacating. So I just wanted to know that out of you, who have watched movies and who are into watching movies and all those things. Okay, okay. So mask is important. Actually, it is very important. So I was asking like how many of you are watching movies in this summer break? Me. Okay, there are a lot of people who are writing me, and good to hear that. So I just wanted to ask one more question. How many of you have seen Three Idiots? Family Man. Somebody wrote that he's watching Family Man. Okay, okay. I do. I watch a lot of movies. That's really nice. I just wanted to ask. Okay, okay. A lot of people said that they have watched Three Idiots. Okay, so my next question is, or how many of you remember Farhan? Me. Yeah, yeah. More response. I guess I need more response from you guys. Great. So आज का जो session है, we will call a real life Farhan, and you guys will get a chance to interact with a photographer who is so passionate about his photography, and कह सकते हैं he is a real life Farhan, and we'll discuss कि रियल लाइफ में फरहान बनना कितना इजी होता है या कितना डिफिकल्ट होता है. You need to learn English. Yeah, sure, I'll do. I'm improving and I'll do that. So, okay, so moving on to next. So, as I already told you that Farhan is हम फरहान से मिलने वाले हैं. So, stay tuned. And so I hope that our guest has already joined us. So without further delay, this is your host Ankita Saxena, and I welcome you all to this Instagram handle of Lovely Professional University. And Lovely Professional University, and on this handle today, we are going to have unscripted moments, which is organized by UNYC, which is United Nations Youth Community, under the aegis of Division of Student Welfare, Lovely Professional University. So I'm super delighted to introduce the guest, and he is none other than any guesses, please. I would like you all to kindly write down in the comment section who is that personality that is going to come in and with whom we are going to have an interactive session. Okay, so I guess people don't know about him. So, with no further delay, I would like to tell his name, and his name is Kunal Malhotra. How many of you know him? Kindly write down in the comment section how many of you know him. Two, and he helps a lot of. Hello, am I completely visible and perfectly audible to all of you? Great, great. I guess there was some technical glitches, and it's all right. So we'll move forward, and so we are inviting none other than Kunal Malhotra, who will be here with us. So let's add him. Until then, I want all of you to kindly write down in the comment section how many of you are ours. Comment section, please.
Hi,
Hello, how are you?
I'm good. How are you doing?
I'm doing great, sir. Really great.
I was
So, for
listening to the live, actually a very nice build-up about that relation with that movie and then as a photographer. So yeah,
yeah,
you.
yeah, we wanted to talk about that. So I made sure that I talk about Farhan. So first of all, namaste, and how are you, sir? पहले तो
I'm
आप
good.
please बताइए आप कैसे हो?
I'm good. I'm good. How are you doing?
I'm doing great. And how have
Great.
you been in the lockdown days? How were your lockdown days?
It's a bit difficult, just like for everyone, but I think that's how we'll have to adapt ourselves, knowing that how
Yeah.
the conditions are, staying indoors as much as possible. And I have tried to adapt because being like I make videos, I'm a photographer. So I'm not able to go outside to shoot, but I'm trying to make few changes so that I can do that same things indoors. So I think we'll have to, because it's honestly, it's not something that will end in 1 or 2 months. It's like a long-term thing that we'll have to adapt to. So it's better that we try to update ourselves how the things are going. So yeah, just trying to do that.
Yeah, so all of us have, adjusted to this complete online mode, and yeah,
Yes.
yeah, we need to do that, and yeah. So we would like to know that how did you adjust yourself during these lockdown days, and like what were those in-house things that you drew inspiration from and you continued working?
I think I just try to make sure that if I'm indoors, I'll have to do something productive or something that keeps me busy. Is it fine if we talk in Hindi? Because I believe a lot of
Sure,
people join
sure.
me. So
Yeah, yeah.
मेरे लिए ये था लाइक अगर मैं घर से भी काम कर रहा हूँ अगर कुछ भी है लाइक लॉकडाउन है जो कुछ महीने तक रहेगा तो अगर आप लाइक वो बोलते हैं ना खाली दिमाग शैतान का घर है तो अगर आप वो चीज रखोगे तो आपके अंदर वो प्रेशर बनता रहेगा कि लॉकडाउन है और आप अपने आप नहीं सोचते रहोगे कि मैं कुछ क्रिएटिव नहीं कर रहा सो आई थिंक इट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट कि आप कुछ ऐसी चीज़ें करो जो आपको बिजी रखें एंड एट द सेम टाइम आपके लिए प्रोडक्टिव भी हो। सो वही चीज़ मैंने अप्लाई करा। मैं यूट्यूब वीडियोस बनाता हूँ, तो मैंने ट्राई करा इंडोर जितना अच्छा कंटेंट हो सकता है वो किया जाए। एंड दैट्स इट। आई थिंक इंस्पिरेशन आज सच कुछ नहीं है, जस्ट दैट आपको खुद ही अपने लिए इंस्पिरेशन बनना चाहिए, एंड दैट इज वाई पीपल विल लुक अप टू यू। एंड फॉर दैट आपको बस अपने आप को बिजी रखना है, सो दैट आप बाकी चीज़ों के बारे में ज़्यादा ना सोचो।
Okay. And how were your tutorials going on then in the lockdown time?
इट्स गुड। मतलब मैंने कंटेंट थोड़ा सा चेंज करा है, कंसिडरिंग कि इंडोर क्या किया जा सकता है। सो जस्ट ट्राइंग टू मेक श्योर कि सो व्हाट आई डिड वन इनिशिएटिव कि जब ये लॉकडाउन सेकंड वाला फेज स्टार्ट हुआ, तो मेरा एक मोबाइल फोटोग्राफी कोर्स था जो यूजुअली पेड होता था। सो आई मेड अ डिसीजन कि आई मेक दैट ओपन, कोई भी जाके सीख सकता है। सो वो अभी इंस्टाग्राम पे है, एनी वन कैन गो देयर इज अ सेपरेट अकाउंट, दे कैन गो वॉच दैट कंप्लीट कोर्स एंड दे कैन लर्न स्टार्ट विद मोबाइल फोटोग्राफी। सो आई जस्ट मेड श्योर कि अगर कोई अभी फ्री है लॉकडाउन में, उन्हें फोटोग्राफी सीखना है, तो वो मोबाइल फोटोग्राफी से स्टार्ट कर सकते हैं। तो दैट इज वन थिंग जो किया मैंने।
And what do you like more, mobile photography or photography with the professional camera?
I think it's right now what happens is people try to differentiate कि मोबाइल फोटोग्राफी अलग चीज है, डिजिटल कैमरा अलग है। फॉर मी, अगर आपके पास कोई भी ऐसा डिवाइस है जिससे आप फोटो खींच रहे हो, यू आर अ फोटोग्राफर। तो ये नहीं है कि अगर मैं मोबाइल से ले रहा हूँ तो मैं सिर्फ मोबाइल फोटोग्राफर हूँ। यू आर अ फोटोग्राफर एज लॉन्ग एज आप फोटोज ले रहे हो, चाहे आपके पास एक फिल्म कैमरा क्यों ना हो, चाहे मोबाइल हो, कुछ भी हो। सो वो एक मैं बोल सकता हूँ माइंडसेट है जो मैं खुद चाहता हूँ कि लोगों के अंदर बिल्ड हो, कि ऐसा नहीं सोचना चाहिए कि अगर हमारे पास मोबाइल है तो सिर्फ हम अच्छी फोटोज नहीं ले सकते, हमें एक डीएसएलआर ही चाहिए। आई यूज प्रोफेशनल गियर्स बिकॉज एक टाइम पे आके मोबाइल का लिमिटेशन होता है जहां हमें प्रोफेशनल गियर्स पे जाना पड़ता है। वी हैव टू गो फॉर मिररलेस एंड डीएसएलआर कैमराज। बट आज के टाइम मोबाइल कैमराज इतने अच्छे हो चुके हैं कि आप स्टार्ट कर सकते हो मोबाइल से। अब आपके पास, मैं बोलूंगा जब मैंने 2011 में स्टार्ट करा था, मेरे पास एक्सक्यूज था। मैं तब एक्सक्यूज दे सकता था कि मुझे कैमरा चाहिए तभी मैं फोटो ले सकता हूँ। बट आज के टाइम में मोबाइल में इतने अच्छे कैमरास हैं कि वो एक्सक्यूज आपके पास नहीं है। अगर आप फिर भी नहीं करना चाह रहे तो मे बी इट इज समथिंग दैट यू डू नॉट विश टू डू। क्योंकि फोटोग्राफी में कई लोग एज अ पैशन हॉबी आते हैं, कई लोग सिर्फ ये देख के आते हैं कि या तो ग्लैमर दिख रहा है या दे थिंक कि बहुत पैसा है फोटोग्राफी में। बट जब एक्चुअली लोग आते हैं तो उन्हें पता लगता है कि रियलिटी के।
क्या क्या बहुत एडवांस हो गया एक्चुअली में।
यस।
और फिल्टर्स के लिए आपका क्या व्यू है? मतलब आजकल मोबाइल फिल्टर्स बहुत ज्यादा होते हैं, लाइक, एंड
राइट।
कैमरास आर डिसीविंग, सॉर्ट ऑफ डिसीविंग डिवाइस, जिससे हम
हाँ हाँ,
किसी को भी
मतलब
छुपा सकते हैं एंड पता नहीं क्या क्या।
राइट।
सो व्हाट आर योर व्यूज रिगार्डिंग दैट?
So are you asking for filters for selfie या normal photo? Selfie
No, 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 no. Yeah, for
in
selfie,
general.
normally, how, like, what are your views regarding using filters?
I think using for selfie is completely personal choice. उसमें कुछ सही भी नहीं है, कुछ गलत भी नहीं है। It's personal choice। अगर लोगों को पसंद है तो it's completely fine with that. Apart from that, filters is just like, I think it's completely fine. Photography को we should not say कि अगर हम photo edit कर रहे हैं तो you are no more a creative person, because editing or maybe filters is part of art, and using that is also something that you have to know. So it is all about your creativity. If you think it works and you can make it look better with filters, तो उसमें कुछ harm नहीं है, it's completely fine.
Yeah. Okay. So moving on to the next question, I would like to know, जैसा कि आपने अभी बताया that you started back in 2011, and
Yes.
I went through one of your Insta post that said that you started back in 2011 and you were in your first year of college, right?
Yeah.
So, yeah, we just want to know about the journey, how it began and how it got acceleration and then
Mm.
this position, like today.
So, yeah, so what I did is when I passed out of 12th, like just like anyone, I had this confusion कि अब क्या करना है। यहाँ तो मेरे पास वही बीबीए एमबीए वाला ऑप्शन था, और आई कुड गो फॉर व्हाट आई डिड। सो मैंने डिसीजन लिया कि मैंने जो 11th 12th में करा है तब तक यही था कि बस जो बुक्स में है वो रट्टा मारो और एग्जाम में लिख के आ जाओ। सो फॉर मी इट वाज दैट। तो मैं उसको आगे कंटिन्यू नहीं करना चाहता था। सो आई वाज लुकिंग फॉर मोर ऑप्शंस, एंड दैट इज व्हेन आई गॉट टू नो अबाउट मास कम्युनिकेशन. तो फिर मैंने मास कम्युनिकेशन का कोर्स करा, दैट वाज फॉर 3 इयर्स. तो वहाँ पे एक सेमेस्टर में फोटोग्राफी एज अ सब्जेक्ट था. तो ओवर देयर आई गॉट इंट्रोड्यूस टू फोटोग्राफी. तो मुझे लगा कि इसको एक्सप्लोर कर सकते हैं, एंड आई गॉट माय फर्स्ट डीएसएलआर कैमरा, मुझे मिल गया इजीली करके. तो वहां से ही स्टार्ट हुआ जस्ट क्लिकिंग इमेजेस. एंड सोचा नहीं था कि अभी जो मैं कर रहा हूँ आई बी हियर डूइंग दिस थिंग्स, बट इट वाज जस्ट दैट थिंग. बट मास कम्युनिकेशन में एक अच्छा चीज था कि आपको एडवर्टाइजिंग, जर्नलिज्म, प्रिंट, बहुत चीजें जानने को मिलती हैं. तो मेरे पास बहुत ऑप्शंस थे, बट एट द सेम टाइम सबकी नॉलेज मुझे कहीं ना कहीं आगे काम आई. So once I was done with 3 years of mass communication course, अब अगेन वही था कि क्या करना है, जॉब करना है, बिकॉज जब आप कॉलेज खत्म करते हो अब जॉब इज द नेक्स्ट स्टेप. तो जॉब मैंने किया डिजिटल मार्केटिंग एंड पीआर फील्ड में. सो आई वाज इनटू डिजिटल मार्केटिंग फॉर 5 इयर्स. बट क्योंकि फोटोग्राफी में एक इंटरेस्ट बिल्ड हो चुका था, सो जॉब के साथ साथ वीकेंड्स में आई वाज टेकिंग अप असाइनमेंट्स, आई वाज डूइंग पेड असाइनमेंट्स, फोटो वॉक्स कर रहे थे, ये सब चल रहा था. बट आफ्टर 5 इयर्स एक ऐसा पॉइंट आया, आई थॉट कि मतलब देवर नो प्लान्स कि मैं यूट्यूब ही करूंगा, बट जस्ट वांटेड टू टेक अ गैप फॉर 6 मंथ, बिकॉज जो मैं जॉब कर रहा था उससे मेरा पूरा इंटरेस्ट हट चुका था. सो आई थॉट एक बार 6 महीने का गैप लेके देखते हैं, एंड लेट्स सी इफ इट वर्क्स आउट, बिकॉज मैं उतना सेविंग रख चुका था कि मैं 6 महीने चल जाता. तो वो जॉब क्विट करा, फिर ये था अब नेक्स्ट कुछ चीज करते हैं. देन यूट्यूब स्टार्ट हुआ. तो यूट्यूब आई सजेस्ट अभी जो लोग देख रहे हैं, अगर कोई सोच रहे हैं या जिन जो करते हैं यूट्यूब, इट इज नॉट दैट कि आप अगर यूट्यूब कर रहे हो तो आपका सोल गेम ही होना चाहिए, ओपिनियन ही होना चाहिए कि आपको अर्न करना है यूट्यूब से. वो बहुत लेटर स्टेज पे आता है जब आप अपना इन्फ्लुएंस बना सकते हो लोगों में. बट द आइडियल ऑब्जेक्टिव इज, इफ योर आइडियल ऑब्जेक्टिव इज दैट यू वांट टू इन्फ्लुएंस पीपल, मे बी एंटरटेनमेंट करना है, लोगों को एंटरटेन करना है, इंफॉर्मेशन देना है, वट एवर योर ऑब्जेक्टिव इज. माइन ऑब्जेक्टिव वॉज कि जो मैं फोटोग्राफी सीख रहा हूँ वो मैं लोगों के साथ शेयर करता जाऊंगा. आई नेवर थॉट कि ये फुल टाइम चीज होगा. मुझे ये था कि 6 महीने बाद वापस जॉब करेंगे. बट थोड़ा दिखा, इट वॉज वर्किंग वेल. देन आई एक्सटेंडेड दैट 6 month पीरियड टू 1 year. देन इवेंचुअली आई थॉट I can take this up as full time thing. So yes, eventually I was doing photography assignments, YouTube, and presently after 4 years, अभी मैं इस सिचुएशन पे हूँ कि मैं YouTube पे हूँ. I have good I'm connected with people on Instagram. Then मैं कुछ कंपनीज के साथ काम करता हूँ to make educational content, and I have my own app now जो मैंने last month launch करा. So वहाँ पे I make courses and teach people about photography. So yeah, that's
Yeah.
pretty much it.
Great. So this is one of the very good things that I find. So first of all, YouTube पे चीजें शेयर करना and
Yeah.
जिससे लोगों को सीखने को मिलता है. So that is something a very good contribution to the society that you make for the aspiring
Yeah.
photographers क्योंकि उन्हें कहीं ना कहीं इंस्पिरेशन मिलती है and बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिलता है. So I really appreciate for that. That
Thank
is
you.
really very appreciable. So
Thank you.
moving on
Thank
to
you.
next, जैसा कि अभी आपने बोला कि you were into some job and then you
Yeah.
felt like you're not happy doing that and then you thought of taking this long break. तब आपके घर वालों ने नहीं रोका. Like
नहीं, I
जैसे
think
कि मैं yeah.
yeah, please complete your question.
Yeah, I just wanted to say, like, when I was beginning with the session, so I told people that we are going to meet a real life Farhan. So I was thinking about that. जैसे कि
Hmm.
whenever we think about pursuing something that we are passionate about, so a lot of factors are there जो आपको रोकते हैं नहीं मत करो. सो
Yeah.
आपको कभी ऐसा नहीं लगा कि या फिर आपकी लाइफ में कभी कुछ वैसा हुआ या
Hmm.
हाउ फार यू रिलेट विद द फरहान कैरेक्टर ऑफ दैट फ्रॉम थ्री इडियट्स.
I actually never thought about it from that perspective. But about your first question, नहीं मतलब वो चीज बहुत important है. You have मतलब आपको घर पे अगर support मिल रहा है, that is also a very important part in your journey because you need that support as well. So वहां से ऐसा कुछ इशू नहीं था. It was all okay because एक टाइम पे आके जब आप थोड़ा फाइनेंशियली इंडिपेंडेंट होना स्टार्ट होते हो, so they also understand if you're taking decisions, they could be fine. But हाँ, वो पॉइंट आता था कि even in that gap, they used to be they used to ask कि वापस जॉब कब करना है and all those things. But I was clear कि अभी मैं अपने ब्रेक पे हूँ तो इस साइट को मैं एक्सप्लोर कर रहा हूँ. बट क्या इवेंचुअली द आइडिया वाज कि शायद मैं वापस जॉब में जाता। तो अभी जो लोग देख रहे हैं, आई जस्ट गिव यू वन टू एवरीवन लिसनिंग एंड वाचिंग। ये जो स्टेप होता है जॉब छोड़ के अपना पैशन फॉलो करने वाला, ये सुनने में बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग लगता है और लगता है कि कोई भी कर सकता है, बट वो बहुत रिस्की स्टेप होता है। तो उसके लिए पहले आप इवेल्युएट कर लो, थोड़ा सा मे बी रिसर्च कर रहे हैं जो लोग ऑलरेडी कर रहे हैं। जस्ट ट्राई टू नो दैट, बिकॉज मैंने वो चीज़ नहीं करी थी, इसलिए मैं बता रहा हूँ। लोग फेलियर्स से ही सजेशन दे पाते हैं। तो मेरे में वो चीज़ नहीं था, मैंने किसी से सजेशन नहीं लिया था, आई जस्ट क्विट माई जॉब। बट अगर आप वो लेते हो, क्योंकि होता गया जब आप कॉलेज से निकले, मैंने 5 साल जॉब किया, तो मेरे पास ये सिक्योरिटी था कि अगर ये नहीं भी चलता यूट्यूब, एटलीस्ट आई कैन गो बैक एंड मेरे पास उतना एक्सपीरियंस है कि मुझे जॉब मिल सकती है। सो आई हैड दैट बैकअप थिंग। बट अगर आप सीधा 12th के बाद यू थिंक कि मुझे कुछ डिग्री कॉलेज नहीं करना, मैं सीधा जो मेरा पैशन है वो ही करता हूँ। आज के टाइम में इट्स वेरी डायनामिक मार्केट, स्पेशली वी सी द लॉकडाउन थिंग कमिंग इन। तो यू कैन नॉट डिपेंड ऑन दैट थिंग कि आपका जो पैशन है आप वो ही करो फुल टाइम। एक बैकअप होना बहुत जरूरी है, एंड फॉर दैट डू एनी डिग्री कोर्स, एनी सर्टिफिकेट जो भी है, एटलीस्ट हैव अ बैकअप। बिकॉज कल को अगर मैं फोटोग्राफी में नहीं कर पाता, मेरे पास एक बैकअप होगा जहाँ पे मैं एज अ जॉब तो कर सकता हूँ। दैट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट।
Yeah.
या जस्ट वांटेड टू
So
शेयर दैट।
I guess our viewers must have got an idea कि एक security या एक खुद independent होना कितना important होता है, so that आप
एग्जैक्टली।
ज़्यादा powerful हो जाते हो and you can take your own decisions. So yeah, and thank you so much, sir, for that, for this wonderful advice. And moving forward, I would like to ask, what are other challenges that a photographer faces, and what career advice would you like to give to the viewers regarding this photography career? Firstly,
Got it. I'll share some of my challenges because of which. So, like I said, मैं मतलब मैं कमर्शियल फोटोग्राफी करता था, मैं प्रोजेक्ट्स करता था, बट ड्यू टू सम रीजंस मैं वहां से डाइवर्ट होकर मैं एजुकेशन साइड आ गया। उसके कुछ रीजंस मैं बता देता हूँ जो लोगों को हेल्प कर सकते हैं। सबसे पहली चीज, फोटोग्राफी सिर्फ ये नहीं है कि अगर आप अच्छी फोटोज लेते हो यू विल बी अ सक्सेसफुल फोटोग्राफर। वो गारंटीड नहीं है, बिकॉज आपको 3-4 चीजें और ध्यान रखनी पड़ेंगी। सबसे पहला है कम्युनिकेशन स्किल, बिकॉज आज के टाइम में फोटोग्राफी इज नॉट कि आपको किसने हायर किया और आपने शूट करा। आप क्लाइंट से इंटरेक्ट करते हो, मे बी थ्रू अ जूम सेशन और मे बी वन टू वन व्हेन यू मीट एट कैफे। कम्युनिकेशन स्किल आपका वो डील लॉकडाउन होने में बहुत इंपॉर्टेंस रखते हैं, बिकॉज आप कैसे कम्युनिकेट कर रहे हो क्लाइंट से और वो सारी चीजें। इवन इफ यू आर इनटू एडवर्टाइजिंग एंड कॉर्पोरेट असाइनमेंट्स, वहां पे सब वेल एजुकेटेड लोग एंड वो सब हैं, तो आप कैसे उनसे कम्युनिकेट कर रहे हो, हाउ आर यू क्रैकिंग योर डील। एंड कॉन्फिडेंस, सेल्फ कॉन्फिडेंस इज इंपॉर्टेंट। ये नहीं है कि अगर आप किसी को बोल रहे हो फॉर एग्जाम्पल आई चार्ज 1 लाख फॉर दिस, और वो कहते कि नहीं आपका काम अच्छा नहीं है, विल पे यू 50,000। तो ये नहीं होना चाहिए कि आप मान लो कि काम अच्छा नहीं है। यू हैव टू बी कॉन्फिडेंट कि नहीं मेरा काम अच्छा है, मैं इतना ही चार्ज करूँ। तो वो चीज है। उसके बाद सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट चीज जिस वजह से मैं डाइवर्ट हो गया कमर्शियल असाइनमेंट से, दैट इज टू गेट पेमेंट फ्रॉम द क्लाइंट्स। नाउ डेज नहीं, मतलब नॉर्मली ऐसा होता है किसी भी इंडस्ट्री में कि आप असाइनमेंट करते हो, आप दे देते हो इमेजेस, बट इट्स वेरी हार्ड टू गेट द पेमेंट आउट ऑफ द क्लाइंट्स, इवन विद बिग नेम्स इट हैपेंस। तो उस पार्ट पे आपको वो स्किल आपके अंदर होना चाहिए जो मैं उसको उतना डेवलप नहीं कर पाया, कि अगर आपने असाइनमेंट करा है यू हैव टू गेट द पेमेंट आउट ऑफ द क्लाइंट्स। वो एक चीज है। देन या प्रीटी मच मार्केटिंग इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। और मार्केटिंग आज के टाइम में वही चीज है, आपका कितना भी अच्छा काम है, अगर आप उसको मार्केट नहीं कर रहे हैं यू विल बी नो वन एंड नो वन वुड नो यू। तो आपका काम अच्छा है, उसके साथ साथ अगर आप उसको मार्केट करते हो देन इट्स लाइक multiple times you get to grow in terms of revenue as a photographer. So marketing, communication skill, and skills to get payments out of the client is very important. Yeah, these are the
okay.
things जो मेरे practical experience से आई, जो मैं लोगों के साथ share कर सकता हूँ।
Yeah. So एक काफी अच्छा इंसाइट था ये, एंड आई गेस हमारे व्यूअर्स को भी ये पसंद, मतलब एक चीज है सीखने के लिए जो व्यूअर्स को पसंद आई होगी। सो मूविंग फॉरवर्ड, जैसा कि आपने बोला, देर आर अदर थिंग्स जो फोटोग्राफी के अलावा आपको आनी चाहिए। सो व्हाट अबाउट द एंगेजमेंट, जो सोशल मीडिया एंगेजमेंट होता है, इट इज वन ऑफ द मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट फैक्टर्स। सो हाउ डू
Yeah.
यू मैनेज दैट? सो या।
एक्चुअली दैट इज व्हाट आई मेंशन एट द एंड, मार्केटिंग वाला पार्ट। मतलब वहां पे, क्योंकि आज के टाइम में क्या है कि लोग आपको फेस वैल्यू से जानते हैं, मतलब काम तो ऑब्वियसली है ही, बट तो काम के पीछे फेस कौन है, दैट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। और आई ऑलवेज ट्राई टू फोकस ऑन दैट पॉइंट, चाहे मैं अभी भी लाइव में कह रहा हूँ, मैं पहले भी बहुत सेशंस में कहा है, अगर आप इंडिविजुअली ग्रो करना चाहते हो तो एक आपका ब्रांड नेम होना चाहिए। दैट ब्रांड नेम कुड बी इधर योर कंपनी नेम या आपका अपना नाम, एंड टू बिल्ड दैट यू हैव टू बिल्ड योर फेस वैल्यू। अब फेस वैल्यू कैसे बनता है, ऐसा नहीं है कि मैं अब 6 महीने में सोचो कि मैं फेमस हो जाऊंगा, वो ओवर द टाइम चीज होता है। पहला, या तो आप किसी का वैल्यू ऐड कर रहे हो, देन दिल कनेक्ट विद यू। ऐसा नहीं है कि आज के टाइम में आई कैन रन मेनी एड्स, spend money, and I can be all over the hoardings and all. But that is not the actual influence जो आप build कर रहे हो. It should be organic, and that happens over the years. आप किसी को value add कर रहे हो, किसी को influence कर रहे हो, किसी को help कर रहे हो, and at the same time आपका face visible हो रहा है कहीं पे. Maybe the simple example is this thing. I got a mail from LP University, and I thought, why not? Let's do it, because I'll add value to people listening, and at the same time they'll get to connect with me. Because let's be honest, बहुत से लोग हैं जो यहाँ पे मेरे साथ connected नहीं है, but it's a means how I get connected with them. But at the same time मैं कुछ value add भी कर रहा हूँ उनके लिए. So I think this could be the best example that I can give. And talking about engagement, engagement organically again जो मैंने बताया तभी आएगा अगर आप एक चीज क्या होता है, हम बहुत बार ट्राई करते हैं किसी और की तरह बनना, किसी को कॉपी करना, एंड वहां पे विल फेल मिजरेबली बिकॉज यू आर नॉट योर सेल्फ, यू आर ट्राइंग टू बी समवन एल्स। सो एज लॉन्ग एज यू आर ट्रांसपेरेंट, यू आर ट्राइंग टू शो आप कैसे क्या कर रहे हो, जो भी हो आप अपना दिखा रहे हो। अभी भी मैं अपनी कैप्शंस में, पोस्ट में बहुत बार हिंदी में लिख देता हूँ, नॉट मतलब इंग्लिश ये होता है टेक्स्ट, बट आई कम्युनिकेट इन हिंदी बिकॉज मेरा यूट्यूब भी हिंदी। सो इट्स नॉट लाइक कि मैं सोचूं कि मैं हिंदी में लिखूंगा तो लोग क्या सोचेंगे, इसको इंग्लिश नहीं आती। दैट शुड नॉट बी द थिंग, बिकॉज जो मैं नेचुरली जैसा हूँ अगर वो मैं वैसा दिखा रहा हूँ तो कहीं ना कहीं लोग बेटर कनेक्ट कर पाते हैं। So yeah, that's it's a long process, but धीरे धीरे build up होता है।
Okay, so yeah. So moving on to next, I just wanted to know what do you think? How far have you reached until now? What do you think?
Not very far, not very far. A lot to go. It's just
Yeah.
that first of all, मतलब starting में I didn't think that I'll be here what I'm doing right now, connected with so many people through YouTube, Instagram, and my app as well. But the idea is at the end कि मैं चाहता हूँ कि फोटोग्राफी पूरे इंडिया में लोगों तक पहुंच सके। एंड हाउ आई स्टार्टेड कि अगर मोबाइल कैमरा भी है तो यू कैन क्लिक फोटोज, तो ज्यादा गेयर सेंट्रिक ना हो, हमें स्किल्स पे वर्क करना चाहिए। सो एज लॉन्ग एज इट्स रीचिंग आउट टू पैन इंडिया, आई एम प्रीटी मच हैप्पी। आई नो आई मिस आउट ऑन साउथ रीजन बिकॉज मेरा कंटेंट हिंदी में होता है, बट अदरवाइज आई थिंक द आइडिया वही था हिंदी में वीडियोस बनाने का। सो दैट इज हाउ इट्स गोइंग ऑन, and a lot more to do, and trying to do that in next
Yeah,
few years.
so have you got plans to reach South India as well? Like, how will you do that? Yeah, I know there are a lot of people who speak Hindi,
Yeah,
but but for a better, expansion, I guess you should, you know, uh,
I
make videos
understand.
in
For
English as well.
expansion, I could have gone for English. I could have switched to English, and that would have given me reach in all over world, like in multiple countries. But I tell you honestly, there are many channels in English making content on photography, and people can learn from there. My idea was that in India, in many regions, people might not be comfortable in English. तो उनको टैप करने के लिए, वहां तक इंफॉर्मेशन जाने के लिए, क्योंकि आजकल स्पेशली आफ्टर जियो सबके पास फोन है। इवन एवरी पर्सन नाउ डेज दे हैव अ स्मार्टफोन, वो वीडियोस देख सकते हैं, यूट्यूब देखते हैं, तो उनके लिए हेल्पफुल हो जाता है। तो या आई थिंक दैट वाज द सोल रीजन वाई स्टार्टेड। तो और अगर मैं अभी स्विच कर दूंगा इंग्लिश पे, सो मे बी माई सोल ऑब्जेक्टिव जो पहले था वो कहीं ना कहीं खत्म हो जाएगा। तो जस्ट फॉर रीच इज ठीक है, वो आ जाएगा, मेरा वो प्रायोरिटी नहीं है। बट या दैट्स द थिंग।
Then if this is the like concept or the intention behind your YouTube channel, then this is really very good, and you're contributing a lot to the people those who want those sessions in Hindi as well. So yeah,
Yeah.
moving forward, I saw your one Insta post. So there was one green leaf captured against a waterfall. So do you, yeah,
Yeah.
recollect that? Yeah. And yeah, I saw that, and then there was waterfall and clouds and a lot of things that showed nature. So can we assume, or can we say that you are a nature lover?
I am, but it's just that. So, as a photographer, a lot of people who might be watching, and I think it's a perception that people believe that we should focus on one type of photography, be it just nature photography or landscape or wildlife. But
Yeah.
I would say I'm a photographer, maybe I'm a content creator who likes to shoot everything, whatever I see around me. Till date, it's almost been 10 years now. I shoot travel, landscape, wildlife, macro, nature. I try to shoot everything. So I am not limiting myself. And the sole reason is, even for people listening now, right now for this session, when you try to get into different genres, you learn a lot more as a photographer. Because let's suppose if I restrict myself to studio fashion photography indoors, I might not be able to shoot outdoors using natural light because I'm used to studio light. Similarly, in wildlife, you learn how to be patient, how to anticipate movement. Same in street photography. So when you try to get into different genres, you learn a lot of things, and that is what I am currently still doing. So yes, obviously I like capturing nature. That's one part of what I like doing. I'm also into street. I'm also into wildlife. So, yeah.
Yeah, that's really great. Really great. And yeah, and besides this photography, blogging, how did you start with tutorials? And from where did you draw
Mm.
inspirations regarding that?
So a lot of people might not be aware. Actually, I was planning a video about my journey for YouTube. So before YouTube, I used to write blogs. I have a website, The Photography Blogger. That's how my name got carried away to my YouTube channel. So it started by a blog where I used to write about photography. I did that for almost 2 years, even when I was working into digital marketing. So the one benefit that I got was I had fair idea how digital marketing and social media works. So that is how I started my website. I was writing about photography. I used to contribute to few international blogs about photography. But then I realized the same thing which I mentioned, that in India, I met few people. Maybe somehow I got to know that they are comfortable in Hindi, and not many people are sharing that on YouTube. So that is how it started, with no intention that I'll work with brands, I'll start earning. That just started as a hobby. So once that's the objective, I think you can go a long way. बिकॉज इफ आई जस्ट स्टार्ट विथ कि मैं यूट्यूब पे आऊंगा पैसा मिलेगा, वो आप 6 महीने बाद आप यूट्यूब क्विट करके चले जाओगे, बिकॉज यूट्यूब इज नॉट जस्ट सिटिंग एंड मेकिंग वीडियोस. अब प्री प्रोडक्शन होता है, आपको रिसर्च करना पड़ता है, स्क्रिप्टिंग होता है, शूटिंग होता है, देन एडिटिंग होता है. सो अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स आर इन्वॉल्व्ड फॉर यूट्यूब वीडियो.
Okay, so so how are your master classes and your tutorials are going on? And do you really like that? Like, what do you like more, blogging or tutorials?
No, blogging. See, I started blogging because I didn't know of any other medium of how I can share my knowledge. So that is how I started writing blogs. But even I, as a photographer, if I can get to know something in 5 minutes in a video, I might not be able to explain that in an half an hour article. So that was one thing. So I think that's the reason why I started making this. And talking about like masterclass and the courses on the application. So like I said that now it's lockdown, we are not heading out. So I made that decision that I'll do online classes which are live. I still have the option that I can record a course and then put it on that app. But I don't want people to watch something and then not have any questions to me. In live session, like what we are doing right now, people can directly ask me questions. So I've still kept that medium of for online courses, that I'll go for live classes rather than recorded sessions. Not sure about future, but right now, this is how it's done.
Yeah, it's really going very great. And so moving on to next question, I wanted to ask, like I saw your picture and as you told that you go out and you shoot pictures. So then you travel a lot, of course, right? And then
Uh, Not outside Delhi much, but within Delhi, I travel a lot. Yeah.
okay, so how many places have you traveled? until now?
Very
Any
limited. Actually, after lockdown, I made a decision that I'll start traveling more now because it's very uncertain when we'll be in lockdown again. So I've been to Pushkar, I've been to Himachal. I've traveled very less, I know that, but I used to explore more about Delhi rather than going out. But yeah.
Okay, and what are the places that you want to go to and shoot?
A lot of places. I planned for Darjeeling. I couldn't go. Then I had Varanasi. I have to visit Varanasi, and a lot of places. I still have few places in my list. I'll make sure I go there sometime soon.
And would you like to share any moment from your any journey that you would like when you went to Pushkar or Himachal Pradesh?
Mm.
Any moment?
Uh, so for Pushkar, I assume a lot of photography enthusiasts might be watching it. So what happens is if you like Pushkar, Camel Fair is something that I went for. It's an event that happens in Pushkar. So there are dates. For example, it's starting from 1st July to 10th July. So what I did is I planned to visit that fair 3 days before it starts officially. The reason was that if I go at the official date, there would be a lot of photographers already over there. So it's always better to visit few days before it officially starts so that you get a bit of freedom and there are less people in your frames. And you get to capture something unique as well because officially if it starts, it's totally different from how it is being planned. So I planned that. Another thing is what the mistake that I did was I carried around 3 lenses in my camera bag the first day. So what happens as a photographer is we get too excited and we try to carry multiple devices, lenses and cameras with us. But it is very important if you are walking a lot or maybe trekking or covering events, try to carry as minimum gears as possible because you have to concentrate on shooting for hours rather than carrying your backpack and getting tired.
Okay, so you do all these things alone. Like there is no partner, your partner or somebody who assists you in your journey.
So yes,
You do it all alone.
there was one team member for a long time, but presently I am, since the lockdown thing started, I am doing all alone because as a content creator, I prefer editing my videos because I know what's being shot and what I have to show in B-roll and samples and all. But I'm still unable to hand over editing to, or maybe I get that outsourced. I still prefer doing it myself.
Okay, and that's really different to hear that the person who has grown a lot and who is handling all the things alone. So that's really great to hear that.
Yeah,
So
actually,
moving on to
because I am someone, if I try to work with maybe 2 or 3 people,
yeah.
I somehow I'm not comfortable in that situation because I'm someone मुझे सारी चीजों का कल अपने हिसाब से चाहिए कि मेरे हिसाब से चीजें चलें बिकॉज जहाँ ज्यादा लोग आते हैं देन कहीं ना कहीं चीजें कंफ्यूज होती हैं मे बी डिले भी हो जाती हैं yeah that's the actual
Yeah.
perspective.
Okay. So I guess there is some technical glitch.
Yeah,
Guys, can you hear me?
yeah, we can hear your audio but the video is uh,
The video is
yeah.
paused. Okay. So till then, okay.
But I
So
think
moving on to
you guys
next.
can hear, so no issues.
Uh, can you hear me?
Yeah, yeah, we can hear you.
Okay, great then. So, moving on to the next question, what do you like more? To get yourself clicked, or what do you like more? What do you like to click others' pictures, or you want yourself to be clicked first? What do you
Me,
like more?
not click, but putting more. I'm not of that kind of person who likes getting clicked. But yeah, I always prefer being behind the camera. But due to YouTube, I have to be in front of camera because I am the one sharing the information and all those things. So yeah, but one tip that I'll suggest to people who still think that they are camera shy and maybe that's the reason why they do not start YouTube channel. It was the same thing with me. मतलब मैं बहुत इंट्रोवर्ट था अभी भी हूँ बट मैं कैमरा के सामने आई वॉज एक्सप्रेशनलेस बट ओवर द टाइम जब आप करते जाते हो यूट्यूब वीडियो तो वो चीज़ खत्म होती जाती है. So right now I know how to deliver in front of a video for a YouTube video, how to make actions, hand gestures और ये सारी चीजें, और वो with practice over the years आ जाता है.
Okay, then that's great. Okay, so now I would like to just go forward with the session, and I will ask you some questions. Like, it is going to be a quick fire round. So you're supposed to
Sure.
choose one word out of that. Okay?
Okay.
Did you
Let's see
get
how it
that?
goes.
Okay.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
I'll start with the quick fire, and it is a short personality check of yours. So let's see. What do you choose? Okay. So shall I start? Okay.
Yeah,
So
yeah,
the
sure.
first is okay. I'll start. I'm starting, and you're supposed to choose one word out of two that I'll be saying. First is red or yellow,
Red.
black or white,
Black, because in majority of my videos I'm wearing black t-shirts.
yeah, okay, edited or natural,
Edited.
landscape or portrait,
I personally prefer landscape.
YouTube or Instagram,
YouTube.
okay, Samsung or Nokia,
Samsung, because I primarily use that smartphone.
okay. Then next question is beaches or mountains,
I've traveled very less, but if I have to pick one, I'll go for mountains, because I can capture some images as well over there. In beaches, I'll have limitations. So yeah,
yeah, I knew it that you would choose mountains over beaches because you've been to Himachal, maybe
yeah,
because of that.
yeah.
Yeah.
I've been to Goa
Okay.
as well, but somehow mountains would be my pick.
So next is front cam or back cam.
Back camera.
Okay. Filter, no filter.
No filter. In terms of smartphones, no filter.
Okay. Indoor, outdoor.
Outdoor.
Okay. And okay. Transparent or translucent.
Uh, I'll have to understand the context. That is, maybe if I have to go
It's a
for
quick
one.
fire. It's a quick fire, and you're supposed to
Okay,
answer
okay.
as quick as possible. And
Translucent.
translucent. Great. Blogs or tutorials.
Tutorials. Any day.
Okay. And next is Kunal Malhotra or Kunal Malhotra 2.0.
That was okay. Anyways, I'll continue. Kunal Malhotra.
Okay. And so now I'm up with the last question. But this is, you're not supposed to choose any word out of two. But what you're supposed to do, you're supposed to just answer the question that I'll be asking. And since it's a quick fire round, then you're supposed to answer very quick.
Okay,
Yeah. Okay.
sure.
So what is the opposite of selfie? Quick.
Opposite of selfie.
You lost. Your time is already time out. Okay,
What
okay,
would be the
okay. So
opposite of
since you
selfie?
say yeah. Okay, so you couldn't answer this question, right? So we'll be asking this question from our viewers. So viewers out there, kindly anybody there who would like to answer this question, opposite of selfie? Hi viewers. Uh, there are no answers, and everybody, I guess, is busy thinking, and they
Yeah.
must be typing in on Google and trying to search out the answer. Rear. Uh, group fee. Well, that's not the answer. Selfie, picture, more, portrait, rear. Okay, rear could be a okay. Rear pic, rear pic. So most of the audience is going with
Right.
the rear picture and all. Well, I also don't have the answer. Even I was searching. I was
I
searching this
don't.
question on Google. Actually, what was I doing? I was framing this rapid fire, and then I thought I would give one word with selfie, and then I got confused. I found no opposite word with selfie, and
Yeah,
that's
actually.
why, yeah,
Yeah.
portrait. Okay, okay. So with this, I end up this rapid fire round, and sadly,
Great.
you lost the last question.
Yeah, no, no worries. I think no one would be able to get the answer because there is no answer actually. So,
Yeah. What's the question? Okay, there are people who are still asking us what's the question. Okay, so I finished with my questions, and now we'll be asking question. You are supposed to answer those questions who will be put up in the chat box. And now
sure.
it's time for the viewers to interact with one and only Kunal Malhotra. Guys, write down your queries in the chat box. And would you like to ask any question from our guest? No questions. I've okay, Baki. Okay, people are still busy answering the questions.
Yeah, I think there were few questions while we were
Is
discussing.
it
So maybe.
compulsory to do a course for photography? There is one question from the audience. Is it
mm,
compulsory to do like do this course?
I would suggest not a course, but basically like photography में क्या होता है आपको basics clear होने चाहिए. So there are two ways. One is hit and trial. You do yourself and then try to figure out कि कैसे aperture, shutter speed, ISO, composition ये सब काम करता है. अदर ऑप्शन इज कि आप कोई एक बेसिक कोर्स कर लो जहाँ पे आपको वो चीजें कम ड्यूरेशन में विद एक्सपीरियंस बाय फोटोग्राफर पता लग जाती हैं. सो दीज आर टू ऑप्शंस, दोनों ही सही हैं. इट टोटली डिपेंड्स विच वे यू वांट टू गो. नथिंग इज राइट, नथिंग इज रॉन्ग, बट फोटोग्राफी में इट्स नॉट लाइक कॉर्पोरेट जॉब कि आप कहीं किसी क्लाइंट के पास जाओगे तो वो ये नहीं पूछेंगे आपने कहाँ से डिग्री या कोर्स करा है. दे वुड जस्ट लुक एट योर वर्क. तो आपका काम अच्छा है तो कोई डिग्री नहीं पूछता. तो वो चीज है.
Yeah, this is very true. काम अच्छा है तो degree is
एग्जैक्टली.
not something very important. So there was one question in the chat box. People are asking about cameras. So within 30,000, matlab,
I think
there
we'll
if
try
there is
to
a
skip that question because then it's get too technical. So yeah, maybe in general we can take practical questions or that helps the masses.
okay, and there is one question regarding editing. So
Mhm.
the question is, what is the role of editing in a life of photographer? Is it necessary to get good in editing or not?
I would say yes. In the current situation, it is very important to learn how to edit a photo, how to process a photo, because let's be honest, मतलब बहुत सालों से यही रहा है. जब फिल्म के टाइम में भी फोटोज प्रोसेस होती थी, there was a different technique. Nowadays in digital photography, it's different. So it is completely wrong to say कि अगर आप फोटो एडिट कर रहे हो तो you are not a good photographer. That's not right. You can always do that. इट्स जस्ट लाइक कि जब आप कोई डिश बनाते हो उसके ऊपर आप गार्निशिंग कर रहे हो तो गार्निशिंग करना गलत नहीं है. जस्ट दैट इट्स सेम एज इन फोटोग्राफी. आप अच्छा कॉम्पोजिशन कर रहे हो, फ्रेम अच्छा है, लाइटिंग अच्छा है, बट आप उसको एक बेटर लुक देने के लिए यू प्रोसेस दैट इमेज. आप कलर के साथ प्ले कर रहे हो, एक्सपोजर के साथ, ऑल दो. सो नथिंग रॉन्ग इन दैट. एंड या आई कंप्लीटली थिंक इट्स फाइन टू डू दैट.
Yeah,
एंड इट इज
and
द
we have
रोल इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट बिकॉज अगर मैं बोलूंगा 50% फोटोग्राफी है तो 50% प्रोसेसिंग भी है. एट द एंड इट ऑल डिपेंड्स ऑन हाउ योर फाइनल इमेजेस लुक. या.
great. And there is another question, is photography and videography similar? What is the answer to this question?
Yes, I would say to an extent it is similar because see वीडियो क्या है. वीडियो अगर हम अभी भी ये वीडियो कर रहे हैं बेसिकली मे बी 24 और 30 फ्रेम्स फोटोज बीइंग क्लिप्ड इन अ सेकंड एंड देन प्लेड बैक. तो पहले वो जो फ्लिप बुक्स आती थी जो हम देखते थे, जो पेजेस फ्लिप करते थे तो अलग अलग एक्शन होते थे, दैट इज बेसिकली अ वीडियो. आप मल्टीपल फोटोज एक साथ प्ले कर रहे हो. तो द कॉन्सेप्ट इज द सेम. It's just that in video, it's motion. In photos, you're freezing a movement. वो डिफरेंस है, तो थोड़ा बहुत डिफरेंस आता है, बट टेक्निकली इट्स ऑलमोस्ट सेम.
And a lot of appreciations are also there. We've got
थैंक
fans
यू.
who are saying they like your photography, and
थैंक्स अ लॉट.
yeah, so we've got a lot of positive comments. So if there is someone who's asking, what's your educational qualification? Well, I think you missed, you joined late.
Yeah. So just
Praneeth,
for you, I
Praneeth,
did mass communication after 12th and no masters, just mass communication, and that's it.
okay. And would you like to write your autobiography ever? Well, this is my
Uh,
question.
अभी मैं
I
उस
don't know.
स्टेज पे आया, like I'm it's just that I believe that होता क्या है कि if I have 10 years of experience, someone with 5 years of experience might look up to me, but it's same with me. अगर मेरे से किसी को ज्यादा experience है, I'll get to learn from them. So it's just that I've spent few extra years into what other people might be at the same stage in few years. And I have a medium जो एक विजुअल मीडियम है जहाँ से लोग कनेक्ट कर पा रहे हैं और कुछ सीखने को मिल रहा है. इट्स जस्ट लाइक दैट. आई थिंक ये these ऑटोग्राफ एंड बायोग्राफी ये बहुत वो सेलिब्रिटी वाली चीज हो जाती है. नॉट वांट टू गो ओवर देयर. So yeah,
Okay, and people are asking regarding exposure ratio. So would you like to answer that?
it's very technical. I think if I try to answer that, it can take up to 5 minutes. So
Yeah, okay, so we can skip this question.
yeah.
And yeah, and lastly, I would like you to give career advice to the viewers who are present here because all of them, most of them are students. So, what career
Yeah.
advice would you like to give them at the last?
I think, like I just mentioned few minutes back, is that a lot of you guys would be going through some course or some degree or certificate course, whatever it is. I think it's very important to complete a course, whatever you are pursuing, be it undergrad or postgrad. Uh, because see, at the end, the like I said, communication skill, the art of maybe how to be more professional going forward. You will have to make presentation or whatever it is. You get to learn a lot. You get to know how to interact with people, how to communicate with people. And if you skip that step to survive as an artist or maybe as a photographer, it's not that easy. So you have to learn a lot of things that you go through while you're doing your postgrad course. So do complete that. And even if you are in school right now, I've come across a lot of people who ask me कि मैं अभी 11th और 12th में हूँ तो मैं छोड़ के फोटोग्राफी करना चाहता हूँ. That's not the right advice. वो आज से कुछ साल पहले हो सकता था जब हार्डली हंड्रेड्स में फोटोग्राफर्स थे. आज हर दिन फोटोग्राफर्स हैं जिनके पास एक कैमरा है. दे आर फोटोग्राफर राइट नाउ एंड दे आर वेरी टैलेंटेड. सो जब आप आ रहे हो तो आप बहुत ज्यादा कंपटीशन में आ रहे हो. सो माय आइडिया वुड बी do a degree course, even as a backup. Try to do that because for dynamic industry here, you never know when you'll have to shift your path. So yeah, that's it. And I think you'll explore a lot of things going your way. अपने experience से ही चीजें आपको समझ आ जाएंगी. So that's it. I think that's the most I can share.
Yeah, and with this, my questions have ended. But if there is any question from your side, then
Mhm.
along with my viewers, would like to answer that. If you have got any questions.
Uh, no questions as such. Like I was just here to share whatever I know, but no questions that I can right now think of. But yeah, if you guys who are listening, if you found this session to be useful, if somehow कुछ आपको insight मिला हो तो thumbs up लिख देना, comments में पता लग जाएगा. Even like at both the ends, we'll get to know कि the session was good. तो आप comments में thumbs up दे सकते हो अगर आपको किसी तरह
Yeah,
help हुआ.
then start writing, start filling up the chat box, and we would like to see thumbs up with the chat box. Hello.
Yeah, yeah. And I think
Viewers are not responding.
yeah, now maybe now we are getting
Okay,
thumbs
okay,
up.
we've got
Great.
one response. I guess we want other responses as well. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So I feel the session has been so positive and so inspiring to the aspiring photographers and of course to others as well. So
I'm
with this,
glad.
I would like
And
to
thanks a
conclude
lot.
this.
Thanks a lot to you guys. for getting me here and inviting me. And it's always good to connect with a lot of new people. And yeah, if I could help, that was really great.
Yeah, okay, sir. So thank you so much for joining in, and thank you so much for coming and sharing such insightful things that our audience that are going to be useful to all our audience. So
Thank you.
bye everybody and take care.
Okay,
So
bye
with this,
everyone.
I would
Take
like
care
to
and
end
to
the
you as well.
session. Yes, sir. Any last thing you would like to add,
No,
viewers?
I think that's it. I think already
Sir
gave the
would be
closing.
ending very soon. So if you've got any appreciation or you've got anything that you want to convey to sir, do it as soon as possible. Okay, okay,
No, if
sir.
you can
So
DM, you guys can DM me as well. It would be fine.
okay
Great.
then. Thank you
Thanks a
so
lot
much.
again. Thank you for having me. It was really great to have this
Yeah,
discussion.
yeah. Okay, sir.
Okay,
Thank
bye
you.
everyone. Take care.
Okay, now Sir has left us, but the session was really amazing, and I, along with my viewers, had a really great time with Kunal Sir, who shared such insightful things. And I hope that you all enjoyed the session. And still, if you got have any questions, you can always DM Kunal Sir, and you can connect to him on his through his Instagram handle. Also, this session was arranged by United Nations Youth Community. So make sure that you follow United Nations Youth Community to get updated about the unscripted moments and to stay updated who is going to be our next guest. So thank you all of you for joining in, and namaste to all. Bye everyone.